Hey guys, this is Don back again. I'm on part 2 and finishing everything all up. Got all the wiring perfect. Check my little backlight halo, which you can't see because it's still bright out. But I got all that hooked up, and yeah, everything's a go. I just want to give a special note to you guys. I'm mostly talking to the Ram Nation here. If you buy this kit, this power ring will not fit on that ring. It will only fit on this ring. But as long as it gets power, it still works. So I'm going to try to wrap up this mess here. I got my my pod lights in, and I got my light bar all hooked in. So I'll probably do a night shot, so that way you guys can get an idea of all that I had to go through to put this thing together. I haven't made up my mind exactly where I'm going to put this power box at. I might just wedge it in here maybe, and I mean it's not going to go anywhere, it's there. You can see I got my switches, and I didn't really crimp it. I only kind of did like a little test fit just to see if it would work, if I had everything all wired right and nothing shorting out. So everything's so far so good. So I'll see you guys on the Facebook and give you a lowdown. See you then. Bye.